It's Margarita, and I am back with a special edition from Bombshell Sportswear, the Black Friday sale.
Something that I see in you, I like that you know it too, the way that you do what you do.
Y'all, they are having a sale, and this is a very, very rare occasion. I really feel like I should have waited from the Labor Day sale because I bought almost everything from the site then, but now the discounts are even bigger. So I'm sure you saw the advertisements for it when they're saying that everything up to 40% off. All the good stuff's only 15% off, so just don't get too excited. If it's new or a super hot item, it's only 15% off. So don't expect to get all the new releases and all the cool things for 40% off. That's not happening. The items that are 40% off are the items that have been available for quite some time or things that were already on sale, such as the Inspired collection, which I honestly took advantage of. So I'm gonna tell y'all what I ordered today from the Black Friday sale. Number one, the Scrunch Thigh High legging, and I got it in black leopard. So you'll notice I put a review up last week, or was it 2 weeks ago, of the leopard short that they had in the brown. I loved it so much. My husband really loved them. So I figured I would give the pants a try. The pants did look kind of cheesy to me for a while because it's got the sock legging and the print, which looked like it was a bit busy. But after I looked at them long enough and thinking about how good those shorts looked on me, I was like, you know what? It's worth it. They were sold out of my size, which is the small. So I ordered the extra small, and I ordered extra small because it said that the model was wearing extra small, and the model is very similar in size to me according to the measurements that they gave. So we'll see if that fits. If not, oh well. You cannot return items that you purchased on sale. So know that anything you buy during this sale, you cannot return. So make sure you do your homework first before ordering anything on sale. Number two, the Inspired Seamless Shorts. Yes, I ordered 2 pair. I ordered them in the pink and the electric blue. They were just so cute. Now what I'm hoping is that the waistband is not wide. That is my concern because the waistbands have a tendency to be a bit wide when I order my size. Now, interestingly enough, the seamless collection usually is double sized, meaning that it's like extra small / small, or like medium / large. But on the website, it allows you to order individual sizes, but I'm not sure. If you know how that works in actuality, let me know in the comments. I'm a little anxious to know. But yeah, so I ordered one thing in the small and the other in the extra small because the extra small was sold out in whichever one I didn't order. So if they're the same size, then that's cool. But I'm really, really hoping that they look good on me because, of course, you can't send anything back that was not full price. Number 3, the Contour Toggle Short in Iris. There is something about those contour shorts. And now that I know the secret of sizing down to cinch in the waist a bit, because there is a 1-inch differential between sizes for the waistbands as well as the leg circumference, I'm all over it. Now it's tight in the leg, I must say, when I size down to extra small, but it makes all the difference in the waist. Now another thing is the waist height does not vary between sizes. So I hate that they have such tall waistbands on all of their stuff or most of their things. If you're thinking about reducing the size or the height, that's not going to help. The waistband height is the same, which makes no sense, but that's how they make it. But yes, I have the toggle short in a couple colors already, so I figured I'd add a couple more to my collection, and I cannot wait to see how that purple looks on me. Number 4, the toggle short in blue leopard. Now y'all know I love the brown leopard. And I got the pants in the black leopard. I had to complete the set with the blue leopard. Yes, I love those shorts. So yes, I duplicated that purchase, and I already had the brown, so now I've got it coming in the blue and the extra small as well. So y'all just know, when I put those shorts on, you won't be able to tell me anything, but I already know how that's gonna fit and how it's gonna look, so I have no concerns about that and about not being able to return those. And last but not least, number 5, the perfect bodysuit in green tea. Now, a lot of those had sold out, especially the red one and I think the black one. All the colors are in stock right now. So if you could not find a color before, they have been restocked. So I got one in green tea. I already have it in, it's like this tannish orange, It's like a burnt orange. And then I have another burnt orange one that I dyed red. Yes, if you cannot find a color that you like, you can always use clothing dye to color it. So red was sold out at the time I bought the other, so I bought the burnt orange one. I bought two and dyed the other one. So it's a nice ombre orange red, which came out really good. The colors, they do not dye very easily, the fabric. So whatever they do there, it's like Scotch guarded or something, I don't know. But it was close enough to where I didn't have to order the formal red. So I got the green tea because I love green and green complements my skin well. Now here's the kicker. I spent so little compared to full price. I only spent $284 on all of that stuff. Yes, so I got 6 items for $284. If you have shopped with Bombshell, you know 6 items is about $600. Let me know in the comments if you can relate. So yes, the sale is great. Now there's about 15 other items that I also have on my wish list that I did not order because the discounts were not big enough. Everything I want is just 15% off for the most part. There's several pair of leggings that I want and a couple tops, a couple sports bras that I want, or my size was just sold out already in some of these items. But I still feel that I got some good stuff at a wonderful price. Now, here's a bonus secret. If you want to maximize your savings, if you are part of their rewards program and you have enough points, you can only use 1 reward per order. So you get free shipping on orders over $100. So what you do is you can divide your order into $100 sections and place multiple orders so you can use your points that way multiple times. So for example, if you got an order that's about $120, you can use one of your $15 rewards there. And then make a second order if there's more things you want, and then you can use a reward there because it's a different order, because you can only use 1 promo code per order. So that's a secret you can use to save even more using your Bombshell Sportswear rewards. Ooh, that's some lip twister. Shell Sportswear, my lips just gotta work out on that. But let me know. Have you already sealed the deal on what you're getting from the Black Friday sale? I'd love to know. Let's talk about it in the comments. Also, follow me on Instagram at Margarita the Perfumista, just like here on YouTube. And until next time, you have an awesome day. Bye.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too. The way that you do what you do.